Concerns tonight surrounding the Ebola outbreak. Doctors at Mount Sinai Hospital on Manhattan's Upper East Side say they are performing tests on a patient who is showing possible symptoms of the virus. The male patient had recently traveled to a West African country where Ebola has been reported. The hospital says the patient's been placed in strict isolation and is undergoing medical screenings. Meantime, the U.S. is preparing to send more medical professionals to West Africa to help with the worsening Ebola outbreak. The American doctor who contracted the disease abroad is showing signs of improvement. CBS 2's Omar Villafranca reports from Emory University Hospital in Atlanta, where a second American aid worker will arrive tomorrow.
As the Ebola outbreak worsens in West Africa, Liberia has ordered the remains of victims cremated to prevent further infection. The World Health Organization says there are now 1,600 cases, including as many as 4 in Nigeria. 887 people have died. Dr. Nahid Badelia of Boston University is among a group of Americans heading to Africa to fight the deadly disease.
I think of it this way. I think that if we have a dangerous war going off at a distant shore, our soldiers don't say, hey, we're scared, we're not going to go.
American Dr. Kent Brantley, who contracted the virus in Liberia, is said to be making progress. He arrived at Emory University Hospital in Atlanta on Saturday wearing a full protective suit. Brantley surprised doctors by walking into his specially designed isolated treatment room.
The fact that he's able to walk into the hospital is a very, very good sign.
Brantley's fellow infected aid worker, Nancy Wrightbull, is expected to leave Liberia and arrive at Emory's isolation unit on Tuesday.
The room was really designed to provide ICU-level care for critically ill patients, as well as to have a surrounding infrastructure that really contains any potential pathogens.
Both Wrightbull and Brantley have received doses of an experimental serum, but doctors have not said if the serum is helping. In Atlanta, Omar Villafranca, CBS 2 News.
And an Ebola vaccine is set to begin human trials next month. So far, the vaccine has shown success in monkeys.